I'm sorry. Sorry, please. I'm sorry I'm sniffing all over the place. I don't really want you to catch this. I feel awful. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. I think I better go and sleep on the couch. Cause I'm filling the air with my germs. And I don't want you to catch this. Baby, are you sure? I want you to stay healthy. Yeah, I've got a fever. You're right. I'm too sick to even leave this bed. So please, just don't get too close to me, babe. Baby, I feel too cold. Well, thank you. It feels better this way. Sorry again, sweetie. Thanks for taking care of me. I love you. I feel horrible, babe. Please hug me tighter. I'm so sorry. I almost insisted on you. I promise if you get sick, I'll take care of you. I promise. I'll be here for you as you're right now here with me. I love you.